Hello, today we are seeing how to use Microsoft Copilot, so let's start.
So first here, open Copilot. Here let's see the interface. Here you have the Copilot icon. And here if you click here, it will start a new chat. Here you can see your Microsoft account. You can also here try the app on your phone, Android phone or iPhone. Here you can also see the chat box, which you can type in it. You can also send in it an image, and you can also use your mic. Here you also have notebooks, and this is the best thing, plugins. Here in plugins, you can see all of your apps that you can use. You can also have Sino here that you can make with its songs. That is great. Here, let me say something. Hello, who are you? Submit. Just wait here and...
Hi there. I'm Microsoft Copilot, your AI assistant. I'm here to help you with a wide range of tasks, answer your questions, and have engaging conversations. How can I assist you today?
Great. Let me send it some. What is the Windows 10 Master Hands channel? Let me correct something. Let's send it. You can also see here all the information about my channel.
The Windows 10 Master Haroun YouTube channel focuses on computer science and tutorials related to Windows 10.
You can see here all of my videos. You can also view it just in Copilot. Here, I will now upload an image. Here I have uploaded my image, and I have typed my question. Here, let's send it. This is my channel logo, and I think it is this the channel logo. And here it is hiding faces from Copilot, and it is analyzing the image. We'll have to wait a little bit. And here is it. Here you can see that it answered yes. That looks like the logo for the, if you got my channel name. You can copy that text or share it or read out loud.
Yes.
And here, this is how you use Microsoft Copilot.